Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Libras. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So that reading may clear your doubts or answer some questions you have in your mind about your situation, guys. So you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. So let's see what are these cards first. So we have Cross, Tower, and Sun. So Libras, in your situation, guys, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you have a lot of things going on. Maybe, guys, a lot of responsibilities on your shoulders. You are working hard, trying to do your best, maybe trying to handle whatever circumstances may be. With all your skills and talents, you are doing your best. But you have faced a lot of difficulties in your life, Libras. You have suffered a lot, sacrificed so much for your career or for your relationship. You have done everything because you are someone really devoted and dedicated. You have not left anything incomplete, so you have done your best. That may be the reason you have with these cards. I see that you are someone with that grit and perseverance, strong willed and determined. So you have faced your life, faced all that trials and ordeals with confidence and using your skills and talents. And that may be the reason today in your situation. Maybe there may be troubles even now, but your outlook on life has changed, guys. So you have clarity, and the reason for this clarity is because you have acceptance in your heart, acceptance and towards the situation. So your outlook on life has changed. You are seeing things more clearly. For some of you, you are uh, taking comfort in some kind of a ritual or some kind of a belief, guys. So there may be some difficulties even in your work situation or in your relationship, guys, but you are turning to some kind of a religious belief or a ritual. So in your relationship, Libras, maybe you have faced a lot, done a lot for this person, sacrificed so much for this love, try to change yourself, trying to adapt to this relationship. But no matter what, there are some difficulties you are seeing. So maybe for some of you, you are in separation. It may be a temporary separation. Maybe after some arguments or some stressful situation you have faced in your relationship, guys. But we also have a positive energy, guys, with these cards. So maybe in your relationship, if you are in some difficulty, that circumstance is going to resolve very soon, guys. So things will fall into place very soon. Maybe this person will come back to you very soon, guys, and maybe they will make amends or you will make amends, and reconciliation is what I see, guys, with these cards. Libras, reconciliation definitely. So, for your career situation, Libras, though you are facing some difficulties in your work, lot of responsibilities, lot of ordeals to be faced, difficulties, things are getting better day by day, and you will see positive changes in your career situation very soon, Libras. So that is the energy with these cards, Libras. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So we will start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. For those who chose this card, it says harmony. So in your situation, guys, in any circumstances in our daily life, we see that harmony is missing in our day-to-day life, in our society or in our circumstances, and conflict seems to be the norm. We are in so much stress, anxiety, and to bring peace and harmony, it is a really difficult thing. It is something that is that needs to be worked on, guys, to bring that peace and harmony in our day-to-day life. And we need to understand that all this stress, conflict, anxiety, what is the reason for that? The reason for that is our thoughts. So we are always worried or we are always thinking about certain things, and we have fear and judgment in our thoughts, in our mind. That is the reason we face so many conflicts in our day-to-day life. So to obtain peace and happiness, we must first learn to quieten our mind, guys, and be able to see our situation objectively from a different point of view, just like a third person. So when we see our situation from a different perspective and the people in our situation differently, we will be able to find harmony and accepting others as they are without any expectation. That is going to fill our life with peace and happiness. And when we open our heart to let this harmony flood us and change the situation around us, bit by bit our world will change. So the people and the circumstances we are in will change, and that change should start from us, guys. So that is the energy. So we should be able to relate that harmony first to ourselves, then to our circumstances. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, we have poisoned apple, jealousy. So in your situation, guys, maybe there is a person who is really close to you, who wants you to think of them as a friend, but they may be holding some grudge against you and they are jealous of you, and they are finding the right way to approach you to harm you. So you need to be really careful with this person. And also, guys, in your circumstances, there are certain things coming towards you. It may look like a gift, but it is a temptation that is going to poison your soul, and that is going to push you into some difficult circumstances. So you need to refuse it right away. But even if you choose it, maybe you are too tempted or you cannot avoid it, and maybe you do not know the truth about these choices and you accept it. You need not fear, guys, fear the choice or the decisions that you have made, because the pain that you will go through in this journey, it is going to give you that gift of insight and experience, and it is going to give you clarity in your relationships. So you are a target of jealousy and revenge. So if you are able to avoid that person, maybe you may know who it is. If you can, you need to avoid them, guys, and you need to think clearly. If you are making some important choices or decisions in your life, you should think for yourself and not trust others, not trust anyone in these circumstances. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. So thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.